Carter! What? Let me tell you something real quick. What? So I remember the last episode when what did I do again? Oh yeah, I tried looking for you? Yeah. And finally, everybody gets out the house. Well, that's good news, jeez. How do you get everyone out the house anyway? Everybody, get the out of the house! I'm not playing no games. One more night, it's gonna be your ass. Don't worry about it. Okay. Let me tell you something, Cheese. Where's Ox? Oxen? Oh no. Where's Oxen, Cheese? I think he's upstairs. I guess. I mean, I don't know. Okay. Let's go find Oxen. Fine, whatever, man. Oxen! Oxen! Oxen, get your ass over here right now!
Laying down or watching the Steve Wilkos something or something else, you know what I'm saying?
Oxen, get your ass over here.
Oh, man. Cheese, what do you want?
Your dad wants you.
Man. You called?
I just wanted to make sure that you're okay, Oxen.
Dad, I was literally laying in the bedroom.
You were?
Yeah.
Okay then. You can continue to do that.
Okay. Stuff. I guess. I'm going now.
Who's here? Huh? Why is it so hard to open these? Hello?
Hey, is Oxen home?
What?
Is Oxen home?
Yeah, why?
Cause, I mean, he called me to come over.
Man, me?
Shut up, Mickey. And I guess Orange Nose came over here too.
Hey, don't forget me.
Huh? Yeah, I'm talking about you, George. Putting a top over my trailer. You gotta be kidding me. And I guess Tommy came along too.
Okay, just come inside.
Come on, fellas, let's go inside.
Oxen!
What?
Your friends are here!
Oh boy, my friends are here. Hey, everybody. Hey. What, George? Why do you invite us over? I don't know. Hey, Tommy. What? Since you graduated school, along with, what's that red guy's name again? Orange Nose. Yeah, thanks for correcting me, George. And, Orange Nose, um, stuff, yeah, I forget his name again. He's so forgettable in the series, isn't he? I don't know. Look, so what are you gonna do, Tommy? Are you going off to college?
I don't know, you tell me.
I guess not. You're gonna be living in a trailer for the rest of your life.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are. No kids, no bitches, none of that. All because you want to live in a trailer.
Look, stop it, okay?
Okay. Hey, Mickey. What? When's the last time you appeared in an episode? What? When's the last time you appeared in an episode? Because the last time I saw you was at the end of the school year. You do not remember me, do you? What? The last time I showed in an episode was last episode, you dumbass! What? Oh, never mind and stuff. And stuff. Hey, I'm gonna go real quick. I'm just gonna talk to my chef. Okay?
There. Finally, all these dishes are finally complete. That's a lot of work.
Hey, chef asshole.
Oxen, how many times did I call me chef asshole?
I don't know. Hey, can you get me and my friend some pizza?
Pizza?
Anyway, can I eat that toy pizza?
No, you can't. Talking about this toy pizza?
Yeah.
You ain't getting the toy pizza.
Why?
Because you're not getting the toy pizza.
Okay. Stuff. I'll go back, I guess.
Yeah, you better be, bitch ass.
Sorry, guys. No pizza. Look, it's okay. What? Yeah, we could just drink them instant breakfasts. Okay? Yeah, I'm gonna go use the bathroom real quick. Well, actually, no. Yeah, I'm gonna go actually use the bathroom.
Who's there?
Me, it's me, Oxygen. Who's in there?
It's me, Boris.
Grandpa?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello? Hey, my name's... Hey, don't say your name yet, okay? I just want you to know that my partner is, I'll be running the phones now because my partner is, has an injury. Okay. My name is, Bendy Jerriton. Oh, hell no! Not this shit again! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna beat his ass. I'm gonna beat his ass right now. I swear, I'm gonna beat his ass. I can't even control myself. It's not even funny. Who's there? Hopefully this time it's easier. Hello? Connor, please bring me the cheese right now. Police, what happened to you? Don't worry about it. Just bring me to him right now. Look, he's in the bedroom, okay? Okay. Finally relaxing. You know what I'm saying? I'll hear your asses. Oh shit, get your ass over here.
Hey, Mickey. What? You wanna come upstairs? Sure. What do you wanna do? Just follow me real quick, okay? Okay.
Hey, where you going?
Upstairs. Isn't this nice? Yeah, I guess. Well, I guess it's time. Time for what? Time for you to burst. Oh, hey, Orange Nose. Wanna play? Uh, Tommy? What? Look, I'm gonna go upstairs and check on them, okay? Okay. So it's like, you turn, you turn 18 on the 26th? Yeah. Okay, then I must go upstairs. Oh my goodness!
Would you please be quiet? I just bought Texas Roadhouse.
I don't care!
Where? What do you want? Speak. Mickey and Orange Nose died. Where? Upstairs. Follow me. Okay. Why did you report this to the police? Somebody could have been killing right now. Wait, do we have police inside this house right now? Yes, we do have police inside our house. Where is he right now? He's in the bedroom. Cause the dead body was in the bedroom. The one with the pink tent and stuff. Okay, just tell the police. It's in another bedroom. Okay. Officer! Oh, what do you want, kid? 2 people died. 2 people died? Yeah, follow me if you want to see it. Okay, I'll come right now. You stay here. You wait till your time's up. Alright? Group meeting right now. So which one of you guys done it? Huh? Which one of you guys done it? Was it you?
No.
Was it you?
No.
Was it you?
No.
Was it you?
No.
Was it you?
No, why would it be me?
I don't know. Good stuff. Anyways, it could have been one of you guys. I don't know who it is.
But wait a minute, don't we have any evidence?
What makes you say that, huh?
Well, there gotta be some evidence, right? Do you, observe something?
Maybe it was you, huh? Hiding all the evidence.
I never hide any evidence, okay?
Where was you?
I was in the kitchen.
Yeah, probably chopping up something like body parts or something. It's about time I got out of there. It's about time. What the hell? What is going on in there? And my reading glasses falling off. Who's this?
That's my dad. He's Polish.
Polish, huh? Wait, Connor, you say that?
Yeah.
Wait, where were you at the time? The murder take place? What murder? What do you mean, not what murder? Yeah, honestly, what do you mean, not what murder? Are you the culprit? What are you talking about? There's a murder taking place upstairs. I don't remember. I'm upstairs. Was it you? No. Alright, you got any evidence to prove it's not you? No. Okay, I think he's the culprit. Everybody, help me throw this guy out right now.
What the? What's that noise? Cheese?
Hey, what's up, Connor?
Cheese. What has happened to you?
I got tied up to Nike Air Forces.
What?
I said I got tied up to Nike Air Forces.
Oh. Who did that?
Police.
Police, huh? Okay. Um, I guess you can, hang tight, I guess.
From my trick. Here.
What the fuck?
Oh my goodness!
Well. Looks like somebody's going to jail for a long time. Ah!
Tommy? What? Remember the first 2 murders? Both took place in a pink room? Or the green room?
Yeah.
What if, hold on. Remember when Oxen wanted Mickey to go upstairs? And unfortunately he got murdered?
Yeah.
And then Orange Nose came up there. And then he also got murdered too, right?
Yeah.
So I think the murder is... I think the murder is the chef. You know. Why would it be the chef, dumbass? Huh? It's clearly oxen. What are you talking about? How would you know it's oxen? It's because they're very clear. I don't get it. Never mind. Oh, hey guys. Can I sit with y'all for a moment? Sure, oxen. Wait, no. Huh? Yeah, we don't want you to sit with us. Okay, that's it. I'm done with both of you already.
Wait, what the? What the? HE double hockey sticks? Okay, everybody, remove the dead bodies. Let's have a good chat. Well, well, well. It could be one of you two guys is the murder. Guys, explain your evidence. Well, I mean, state, state why you guys are not the murderers.
Well, I was in the kitchen this entire time.
Okay.
Well, I'm a kid. And stuff.
They're both pretty good, obviously, dingies. So, I guess the murder is, Chef Hatchet.
Why me?
Because I don't believe you're in the kitchen.
You gotta be kidding me.
Oh, look, the sun's rising.
Sun's rising? Oh, shoot, you're right. Oh, and it's raining. Let's just go back inside. So, any last words?
Not really.
Okay, you come with me then. What the hell did I just see right there? So, if he's not the murderer, which means you traitor.
I guess you can say that again.
Come here.
Man, you gotta be kidding me.
Oxen, go to bed and turn the lights off.
No.